That looks like a cardinal.
We got the homie. It's ill. Yesterday it was straight up red cardinal. That's when I saw it, I was like, whoa. Look, he looking dead at us. You getting the worms? What is that? Bugs or worms?
Something.
That's a worm, I think. Yeah, that's a worm from underneath it. He's nice. He's looking dead at it. He like, oh, he recorded me? Yes, I'm recording you, bro.
She's standing outside.
He getting all them worms. Not playing. Look, look. Snatch, snatch,
Oh, man.
snatch.
Yo, so listen. So I take off, right? I'm like, alright, what I'm gonna do is run the PU, grab this bud,